Hey guys, so we are about to begin a new project here. Shannon and I have made some tentative plans, and for those plans to come to fruition, I've got to do a little work on my truck. This is something that I've been wanting to do for a while. So let me first start off by introducing you. You've seen my truck in several of my videos and stuff. The story behind this truck is that we still have the 05 Tahoe. The 05 Tahoe has 360-something thousand miles. It's family. It's not going anywhere. I still drive it a good bit, but it does have 360,000 miles. The air conditioner kind of works when it wants to, but it still drives really good. Runs really, really well. Love the truck. If I could find another new one just like it, I'd buy it in a heartbeat. If I knew it would be as good as this one or that one. But it had 340-something thousand miles on it at the time, so we bought Shannon this truck, which is a 2013 GMC Yukon XL. Sharp little truck. I really like the truck, but in Shannon's own words, it's just, her words were, that truck's just not masculine enough for you to drive. That's her words. So I've had a list of things that I want to do to it for a while. And then we came up with a trip that we wanted to do later this year. It's just going to kind of require me to go ahead and do some of this work that I've been wanting to do to it in order to take this trip. And so we're going to take, hopefully over the next couple of months, we're going to take this truck from the Mom-Mobile grocery getter that you see here to something a little bit more adventure worthy. I think that's the phrase I'll go with. We're gonna make a little bit of an adventure wagon out of it. It has a lot of good things going for it. It is a four-wheel drive. It's the XL, so got plenty of room. It is, like I said, it is a four-wheel drive. It does also have the 6.2 engine in it, which means it has a lot more horsepower. This thing runs really good. This is a really nice truck. It's in really good shape. It's got a few things that I want to change about it, but we're going to go into those things just a little at a time as we do it. It's going to take me several months, or a couple of months at least, to actually make this video, get it out. We have a trip planned, for later in the year. It's currently July. This trip will be in the fall, but I've got some things that I want to do. Now, the downside to this truck, besides looking like a Mom-Mobile grocery getter, the downside is that it does have 216,000 miles, so it's not going to last forever. The upside is I'm not scared of a vehicle with high miles. I can work on them a little. But it is still a very good, very reliable truck, and I really love the truck. Another downside is I do not like that it does not have the 4-low option with the four-wheel drive. It has 2 high, auto, in other words, like all-terrain, and it has 4 high. I'm not crazy about the fact that it doesn't have 4 low, but I'm not going to be doing rock crawling and things like that in this truck. Although it would be nice to have the 4 low range in case of needing to pull somebody out of the ditch or something. It does have some little quirks. The door handle over here is broken. It's been broken ever since we got it. And to replace that, you got to replace the entire door panel, and General Motors knows that, and they charge a lot. And there are no aftermarket door panels right now, so you pretty much got to luck up on one in a junkyard. The problem is, all of them that I found in the junkyard have been broken in the same place. It's got a little, it's a 11-year-old truck. It's going to have little dings and stuff in it. It doesn't have any dents, doesn't have any rust. It doesn't have any leaks. It's a pretty good truck. But over the next few months, we are going to be converting this truck, transforming this truck into something a little bit more adventure worthy. So this is day one, and I'll just go ahead and tell you what got me started on this is I had a list of things that I wanted for this truck in an Amazon wish list. And today is day 2 of Prime Days at Amazon, and so I found a lot of things on there that I wanted for this truck that just happened to be on Prime Day. So we ordered a good bit of stuff, and it'll be coming in pretty soon. And once it starts coming in, we'll start slowly putting some of this stuff on and getting rolling with it. Today is July 17th, and so we're going to be doing this over the next about 3 months. We'll be doing some work on this truck pretty regular. I've got quite a few things I want to do to it, on top of getting some things taken care of mechanically, just little minor things, get things checked out before we take off on this trip. But hang with us, let's see what we do next. If you enjoyed this episode, consider subscribing so you can join us on the rest of our crazy adventures. Alright guys, remember to get out and find your own adventure, because even bad adventures make great stories. Thanks for riding along with me today, guys.